Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these raisin oatmeal cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place in your room temperature butter, followed by the light brown sugar and the granulated white sugar, then mix together until they are well combined. You're looking for something that is lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This will vary on how long you need to mix, depending on the climate of which you're in. If you're in a warmer climate, it'll take less time. If you're in a colder climate, you may need to warm your butter up to help the process. Once it's lighter and fluffier, you can then go ahead and add in the egg and vanilla and mix these in until they are fully incorporated. You will notice a change in the consistency of the mixture, and this is completely normal and what you're looking for. Then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier. You can then go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, starting with the oats, followed by the flour, the raisins, not forgetting your raisin agent and your cinnamon, and then mix on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium high speed, and just mix until you have a dough that has formed. You're not looking for anything super overmixed. If you overmix it, it will take on a tougher texture, so just mix enough so you can't see a trace of a single ingredient. You can then go ahead and just give the cookie dough a quick scraping down. I do this just to ensure that it's not too sticky, and this was the perfect consistency to work with, so do that, then you can process it straight away. So take your scoop and just scoop up a generous amount. You want it to be level with the scoop, roll it between your hands, and then just place onto a baking tray, flattening slightly, and repeat the process until you have all of the dough used up. This will make 5 generously sized cookies, but feel free to make this into 10 smaller cookies and adjust the baking time. Again, that will all vary depending on your oven, but I will leave all the information you need in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested. And then you can go ahead and you can double the batch if you wanted. These are really good and I recommend making them. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.